Woosa, woosa, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata. So welcome back to the Plus One a Day Challenge, day 27. The first real day of not getting up and thinking about going to a shit job, going to a job that you don't enjoy, and knowing that we're now progressing on in life. So 27 push-ups, checking how you're doing mentally, physically. I'm feeling good. Skin, no money, but feeling good. This is a risk I'm going to take in life now. Otherwise, let's get to it. Woosa, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata. Oh yeah, that grip you can 100% feel on your central chest. Otherwise guys, take care, come out your shell. Much love, bye.